Seashells are naturally occurring structures created by marine organisms. The formation of seashells is a biological process called biomineralization. Biomineralization involves living organisms creating minerals to form the shell. Seashells are not just aesthetic objects, they serve a vital protective function. Seashells act as armor, safeguarding the soft-bodied creatures inside from predators and environmental hazards. Seashells also provide a record of the life and growth of the organism that created them. The mantle is a specialized tissue found in snails. It functions as a living cloak for the snail. The mantle contains specialized cells. These cells act like a high-tech 3D printer. They construct the snail's shell layer by microscopic layer. This process allows the snail to continuously build and repair its protective shell. Snails obtain calcium and carbonate ions from their surrounding seawater. These ions are also absorbed through the snail's diet. Calcium and carbonate ions are essential mineral building blocks. These building blocks are required for the formation of the snail's shell. Mantle cells initiate the process by secreting a complex mixture. This mixture is primarily composed of proteins and sugars. The secreted proteins and sugars combine to form an organic matrix. This organic matrix functions as a foundational scaffold. It also acts as a template for subsequent mineral deposition. The mineral components are then deposited onto this pre-existing organic framework. Mantle cells direct calcium and carbonate ions towards an organic matrix. These ions settle onto the matrix, initiating the crystallization process. The ions then crystallize, forming calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is the main mineral component of seashells. Seashells exhibit a layered structure composed of different crystal types. Snails strategically arrange these crystals to form distinct layers. Each layer possesses unique properties due to the specific crystal arrangement. The outer layer is often made of calcite, providing toughness and protection. The inner layer commonly consists of aragonite, known for its iridescent appearance. This multi-layered design optimizes the seashell's overall structural integrity and visual characteristics. Nacre, also known as mother of pearl, is a biomineral material produced by some mollusks. It is composed of microscopic, overlapping tiles made of aragonite, a crystalline form of calcium carbonate. These tiles are arranged in a highly ordered structure, giving nacre its strength and resilience. The overlapping aragonite tiles refract light, creating the iridescent, shimmering rainbow effect characteristic of many seashells. The spiral shape of a seashell is a result of its growth pattern. The mantle, an organ in the snail, adds new material to the shell's open end. The shell grows faster on one side than the other. This differential growth leads to the characteristic spiral form. The spiral design allows efficient enlargement of the shell without changing its basic shape. Seashell colors are derived from pigments acquired by snails through their diet. The snail's diet includes algae, plants, and other marine organisms. These ingested pigments are then integrated into the shell's organic matrix. As the shell grows, these pigments impart color, resulting in the diverse patterns observed. Seashells possess structural features that enhance their strength and functionality. Spines, ribs, and knobs are integral components of seashell architecture. These features collectively contribute to the shell's overall robustness. Seashell structures prevent sinking in soft substrates. Seashell structures also serve as deterrents against potential predators. The mantle edge's intricate folds facilitate the formation of these protective features. The periostracum is the outermost layer on seashells, providing a protective skin. After a snail dies, the periostracum is vulnerable to environmental factors. Waves and sand often erode the periostracum over time. This erosion reveals the more polished and colorful layers beneath. Seashells display a wide array of shapes and structural features. These diverse forms are adaptations to different marine environments. The specific adaptations reflect the ecological niches of various snail species. Each shape and structure is suited to the snail's habitat and lifestyle. Environmental factors drive the evolutionary development of these specialized traits. Therefore, seashell morphology is closely linked to marine ecological conditions. Seashell characteristics are genetically programmed by the snail's species. These characteristics include shape, color, and patterns. Each individual snail uniquely expresses these traits. This unique expression is influenced by the snail's life experiences and environment. Seashells exhibit exceptional strength and durability due to their composite structure. This structure combines mineral and organic components at a microscopic level. The specific arrangement of these components enhances the shell's resistance to fracture. This robust construction protects the snail from physical damage in its environment. The shell also acts as a defense mechanism against potential predators. Seashell formation is directly influenced by the availability of calcium and carbonate ions in seawater. These ions are essential building blocks for the shells of marine organisms. Changes in ocean chemistry can impact the saturation levels of calcium carbonate. Ocean acidification, driven by increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, is one such change. Acidification reduces the availability of carbonate ions in seawater. This reduction makes it more difficult for snails and other shellfish to build and maintain their shells. Seashells are natural structures created by marine snails. They are constructed through a biological process known as biomineralization. This process involves the deposition of minerals to form a hard, protective shell. Seashells are composed of crystalline structures, giving them unique optical properties. The colors and patterns observed in seashells are a result of their specific mineral composition and arrangement. These shells serve as a testament to the intricate artistry found in nature.